My colleague Preeti Chaudhary is now also joining me on the broadcast. Preeti, we are now seeing the mortal remains at the AICC headquarters and the top leaders. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and all those leaders who worked with Dr. Manmohan Singh, they have paid their tributes. The final journey, Preeti, will begin in about 1 hour and the final place where he will be put to rest will be the Nigambodh Ghat.
You are right there, Aishwarya. We're right at the AICC headquarters, and just to give you a sense, because there is heavy barricading, but ever since the mortal remains have been brought in, there's been a steady stream, and I have to say, in a very long time at the Congress headquarters, I have seen, the Congress cadre come in. If I can ask my camera person to actually show you. There is a whole queue which is going in. Now it has spokesperson. I can see Jairam Ramesh. I can see Gaurav Gogoi, Supriya Shrinate, spokespersons, the regular cadre. And, what was very different than when I've covered anything or any event which has taken place at the AICC headquarters is it really doesn't see that kind of push from the Congress cadre. And this time around, it's one occasion where we've seen this is a queue which is snaking in outside the Congress headquarters for about 400 meters. So the sense of respect that Dr. Singh actually enjoyed from the Congress Karyakarta is very visible right now. Most of the spokespersons, most of the Congress leaders right now don't really want to speak. They want to go pay their final respects. But some of them off record have come and, spoken with us. We were speaking to some very old Seva Dal members, and they've actually come to the Congress headquarters after 15 years. I was speaking to somebody, 3 women who've come in and they say they haven't ever come into the Congress headquarters. And this is after a decade that they're coming in because they want to pay respects to Dr. Singh. On the other hand, a lot of leaders from the Congress party, spokespersons coming out because there was a controversy that could have been avoidable, but it really wasn't. And that was the resting place and a Smriti mark, a memorial for Dr. Singh. And that was the demand by the Congress party as well as the family of Dr. Singh. And till late night, there was a fair amount of political commentary on that. Since the course of the morning, the government has made it very clear that they are going to allocate a space, but the site of cremation will remain the Nigambodh Ghat. Some of the Congress leaders and, the spokespersons we've spoken to do hold a little grudge on that. They feel that possibly, arrangements could have been made near Rajghat and not Nigambodh. But all of that is now aside because it's just an hour and the final journey of Dr. Singh will start from the Congress headquarters. It's somewhere down the line, ashes to ashes, dust to dust. And it's coming full circle for Dr. Singh's journey where it comes down as a congressman. A lot of sloganeering I can begin to hear outside. What you see right now is a very controlled atmosphere, Aishwarya, because, there are these barricades, this is the media, some of the leaders right behind me, but there is a queue which is snaking in all the way, people filtering in to pay their final respects. Those are the gates of the IIC. You can already hear chants of Dr. Singh Amar Rahe outside, where the Congress cadre is patiently waiting. And it's overcast yesterday. It has been rain, thunder, hailstorm, and some would suggest a little befitting to the kind of calm, stoic personality that was Dr. Singh. Gentle. He's gone gently into the night, but seemingly a befitting tribute by the Delhi weather. The skies are holding up right now, but, could come down any time. Once again, I can actually see a lot of Congress cadre, spokespersons, leaders, all of them lining up in a steady queue to pay their final respects. There is word in that, there is talk whether or not there is going to be a procession. And let me cut across right now to my colleague Amit Bhardwaj, and we'll go across to our two political analysts who are with us. I believe we have Ashutosh and Mr. Prabhu Chavla. Amit, to bring you in, can you take us through, what can we expect in an hour's time? Because is there going to be a procession? Will Congress leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi walk with the hearse? What are you picking up from your sources?
Preeti, in fact, we'll also show the visuals on the ground as to how preparations have been made for that final journey of Dr. Singh. Right behind me is the gun carriers standing outside the AICC headquarters. So once, for an hour, the dignitaries, leaders who are rushing to the AICC headquarters, once they pay their final respect to the mortal remains of Dr. Singh, the mortal remains will be taken out of the AICC headquarters and then it will be put back on the gun carriage, and right next to that gun carriage is the ceremonial vehicle of the armed forces. And you could see the kind of security that has been put out here. The Sena police, which is the military police vehicles, are already here. What I want to show our viewers right now is the vehicle that has been prepared. There's a truck which has been prepared for the Congress leaders to accompany this convoy. And in this particular truck, the CWC members of the Congress party, the MPs of the Congress party, are most likely to be standing here. So they will be traveling with the convoy in this particular truck, and the DPCC has made the arrangements. कौन लोग होंगे इस ट्रक के अंदर? आप सारे सांसद और CWC के मेंबर्स हैं? जी सर. तो राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा, ये भी इसी में हो सकती है? इसका नहीं. It's not clear as to whether Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Mallikarjun Kharge, three of them, will be part of this truck, or whether they'll be walking along as the convoy moves towards Nigam Road Ghat. Back to you, Preeti.
That's all right, Amit, because I was speaking to some Congress leaders. There's, some of them feel that as symbolism as well, and also the deep connect the Gandhis had with Dr. Singh, that Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi will probably walk with the hearse. But it all depends on how the weather holds up. I'm going to come right back to Amit. We have our two panelists with us. We're going to cut across to them as well. As we document, viewers, the final journey of Dr. Singh, and what a journey it's actually been, coming full circle. A quick break to stay with us. We continue to report from the AICC headquarters, where the mortal remains of Dr. Singh have been brought in for the Congress leaders, cadres, common man to come in and pay their final respects. Thank you for the service, Dr. Singh.